rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hi everyone, welcome to our pre-ISE 2026 series of Rants and Raves. Joining me for this episode is Anders Carlson of Humley. So first of all, Anders, how is it going? How is the prep for ISE treating you?
Yeah, I guess a week before ISE is also always a little bit much to do. It's a lot of things that has to come together in terms of demos and preparations and stuff, especially since we're launching a few new things at ISE this year. But overall, very, very good. So nice with the 2026. Excited about new year. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's always crazy. It seems very hectic right before ISE begins, and then suddenly magically everything is all together by the time the show starts. So for everyone who knows Humley, they know you guys for room displays, for booking panels. You guys are very big in the UC space, but you guys are introducing something at ISE this year. You guys are focusing on Humley Sense. So I'd love to know a little bit more about this and how it fits into your overall platform strategy.
Yes, I think Humley Sense is kind of become this hub of data from different types of sources. When we launched this initially at ISE last year, we kind of did it as a gateway for a couple of very specific sensors that we launched then and there. But we also kind of promised the market that we will come out with something a little bit bigger, a larger offering around this, let's call it gateway of data that Humley Sense is. So what we're doing this year is really focusing on the Humley Sense experience with more integrations, open APIs, and also some really nice showcases at the booth.
Awesome. And why is Humley Sense important for AV integrators specifically? So how does this kind of help the AV integrator move beyond just kind of deploying hardware into a space and helping them move into more intelligent and data-driven workplace solutions?
I think what the AV integrators really love to do for their customers is to provide this end-to-end experience with connected, solutions rather than, individual, solutions from different parts that doesn't talk to each other. Our goal with the Humley Sense is to really bridge that and to allow our AV integrators to, combine the different products they're installing and kind of piping it through Humley Sense and get more value for the end customer by kind of combining the data from maybe booking and reservation systems with data from sensors, whether that be environmental or whether that be presence sensor, people counting. And by doing that, you kind of show the customers the added value of having someone taking care of and setting up your solutions, not just buying off the shelf whatever you can find. So yeah, I think that's going to be really exciting for the AV field. Yeah.
Absolutely, kind of pushing forward like this idea of managing the room rather than just integrators setting up hardware and like leaving. I think that is really important. So how complex is it for integrators to add Humley Sense into projects? And is this like something that they can add for new builds? Can they go back and like retroactively add it to installs they've already done?
No, so I think one of our challenges from the very beginning to set it up was to actually make it, very easy. So it's kind of complex on our side of things, but we try to make it very convenient to work with because we are very much, encouraging our partners to, integrate with something maybe they installed 2-3 years ago, even from other, manufacturers. If they can bring in some, let's say, people counting from inside a room from a camera that they installed last year, now they have the opportunity to bring that in through the Humley Sense gateway. I think that's going to be really exciting. And we've already seen a couple of sensor manufacturers on the market taking our API, building their own integrations, making it plug and play. But we also have the option, of course, with the open API that I think we are actually launching it now at ISE. So that makes it very straightforward for anyone who want to integrate anything, basically. So
That's very cool. And at ISE, that was a good segue. How will integrators be able to see how this works? What other products can they expect to see and get their hands on at you guys' booth?
yeah, for the people who visited us last year, they were able to see the kind of presence detect, the kind of automatic booking of phone booths. They were also able to see temperature and humidity and those kind of environment sensors. Now we're kind of taking it to the next level this year by kind of integrating with third-party systems, create kind of like a fully automated meeting room where, when basically you check in, the room gets prepared for you, the blinds go up or down depending on what you want to see. So I think that's going to be a really good experience that, you have to come to our booth to check it out. I think that's going to be pretty amazing.
That's awesome. So people are going to actually be able to come into your booth and see how this works. I do think that's important because coming from how ISE was a few years ago, it used to be just products on a pedestal and nobody could really actually demo them or see how they work. So I do think it's cool that you guys are demoing everything to show how it works in an actual meeting space.
Yeah, I think we're looking for this kind of exciting experiment and kind of showing a kind of few implementation of the Humley Sense technology platform to kind of inspire others to get their own ideas to, but then we should also be able to do this and that, things that we didn't think of, but that they will be able to go there with their customers and implement. So.
Awesome. Well, last question I have for you, Anders, where can people find more information on Humley? Where can they see you guys on the show floor at ISE?
Yeah, so humley.com is a good start. We have actually launched a brand new website just last week, actually, so just in time for ISE. But for ISE, you should definitely come by our booth. It's in Hall 2. It's W300 is the booth number. So come by. We have a big team there. Come talk to us, grab hold of me or anyone else there, and make us show you whatever we have there. So.
Awesome. Well, Anders, thank you so much. And I will see you in Barcelona.
rAVe Radio with Rants and Raves.